Hello fashion lovers and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a huge Louis Vuitton unboxing slash haul. On the 24th of March, Louis Vuitton dropped the Louis Vuitton Escale Collection. This is the spring summer 2020 collection. Louis Vuitton did a very silent little drop, but the gag is I got not one but two items from the collection. Not today, Satan. Thankfully, I got there in time. The whole world is in quarantine slash self-isolation right now. So Louis Vuitton smartly launched their collection on the louisvuitton.com website. A range of tie-dye inspired classic yet playful Louis Vuitton items. The Louis Vuitton tie-dye Escale collection is actually inspired by an ancient Japanese technique of dyeing called shibori. Very unique tie-dye prints. So we have the blue spectrum, we have the rouge spectrum, and then lastly we have the pastel spectrum. One thing that I do love about Louis Vuitton is the fact that they are always on the ball. They are very futuristic and they also know how to market to their target audience, which is the younger generation. So hence this online drop was absolutely perfect. I'll run through some of the items I absolutely loved in this collection, and then I'll do the unboxing of the two items that I got. The first thing from this spring summer collection, which I absolutely love but did not get on time, it is now sold out. The Louis Vuitton mini pochette. Oh my gosh, this is in a gorgeous pink, bluish, yellow, greenish tie-dye print. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. The mini pochette accessoire comes in so many different prints, and they do different drops for like Christmas as well, but this colorway is absolutely gorgeous. Talk about spring summer dreams, and the price is absolutely amazing. It's only £355, which I think is really good. It can be used either as a bag or as a purse. I have been refreshing the website to see if it will come back in stock. Now the next thing, which I thought was really nice, is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Now to be honest, I've never been a Neverfull lady, no pun intended. I've never been a Neverfull kind of gal. It's just very common, but I will make an exception for this collection. Okay, this pink, this rouge, this blue colorway is everything. If you still love that sort of style of bag, which is very classic, but you do not want it in the normal monogram print, because let's be real, everybody has it. Not a good look. I would say definitely go for one of these Neverfulls. The Louis Vuitton Speedy. It's one of those items where if you see someone carrying it through the airport, God willing, when we're all able to travel again, but if you do see someone walking through it in the airport, you'll be like, it would make you look twice, like double take. Oh, okay. Now the next item, which I absolutely love but don't need, story of my life, is the Pichette Cosmétique. Oh my gosh, this is the most gorgeous cosmetic pouch. How cute, how fabulous. If I didn't have my Louis Vuitton luggage, I would have definitely picked up one of these. I think this is so cute, and the price is really good, £345. Not bad guys. This next item, oh my gosh, I was drooling. The Louis Vuitton Escale Pichette Kirigami. Oh my gosh, 3 in 1. Ugh, absolutely gorgeous. You have the 3 colorways all in a sort of envelope style bag. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. The only thing is I would have no idea what to use it for, but darling, that is a bit of me. I would literally just walk out of my house during summertime just to wear this item and then walk all the way back to my front door. If I was a billionaire, I would totally keep my letters in there. I mean, why not? The next thing, which I absolutely love, is this Louis Vuitton Escale skimboard. Now, when I saw the word skimboard, I was like, wait, what is a skimboard? Is that a surfboard? Then I had to Google it and I was like, yeah, skimboard is a surfboard. Anyway, that's not the point. I would literally buy this just to display in my house. That's how gorgeous it is. Like, it would literally just be like an art piece in my hallway. I don't want to be ruining that with water. Okay, no, honey. I mean, I don't even know how to surf. Definitely a collector's piece. Like, I was so tempted, but then I was like, it's just one of those items I genuinely do not need, but love. I would just love to look at it for the rest of my life. Now, you guys know I love my ready-to-wear pieces. This Louis Vuitton Escale pajama set is everything. Like, who doesn't want to go to bed in Louis Vuitton pajamas? Ah, fabulous, honey. If it made sense, I would buy it. 100% silk. My skin will literally be left feeling like silk. Going to bed, waking up in Louis Vuitton. Ugh, absolutely love it. The next item, Louis Vuitton Tunic blouse. Ugh, give us a moment. We need a moment of silence for this gorgeousness. The reason why I like this tunic is because it's versatile. It's not just a beach item. You could literally wear it like to dinner with heels, cinch in the waist. The £1,000 price tag makes sense if you are going to wear it over and over again and style it in different ways. I would totally say that this is my #1 ready to wear piece from the collection, simply because of the versatility and the fact that it would look good on everybody. You guys know I love a monogram moment. The Louis Vuitton Escale card holder. Oh my gosh, how cute. Imagine just popping out your card to pay for something out of this gorgeous, colorful tie-dye print card holder. Oh, fabulous, honey. This collection is everything we need to lift our spirits and get really excited for the spring summer 2020. So now I'm going to unbox the 2 items that I got with you. Before you ask me, yes, I'm wearing orange. My nails are orange and the box is orange. We love an orange box. We love an orange moment, okay? It's either Hermes or Louis Vuitton. We love the former and we also love the latter. So let's just get straight to the juicy bit, the unboxing. I just wanted to quickly show you how this actually came. I ordered this item about 2 days after the launch. It was literally shipped, dispatched and delivered to me literally 2 days after I placed the order. So in terms of delivery, it was really, really good, very quick. I believe this came straight from Paris. It came in this like really discreet box. Is literally just a brown box. Like, you wouldn't know it's a Louis Vuitton item, which I think is really good in terms of like safety and packages getting stolen and things like that. All I did was rip out these sides, and then as you open it, you have this gorgeous orange Louis Vuitton box inside. Here we just have the receipt. Then here I usually just write like a little note to myself. Weird, I know. This one says, "Happy summer, I love you." Anyway, it's just a basic box. Louis Vuitton written on top. Louis Vuitton item inside. There's nothing else inside the box. And it comes nicely packaged with obviously the standard Louis Vuitton packaging. I'm actually going to start with this item. I don't actually know what these things are. What is this? Whenever I buy Louis Vuitton items, I actually never look at this. Oh, it's literally just for decoration. I think it's maybe if you give it as a gift to someone, you can write something inside. But anyway, so just opening this up. Ugh, the ribbon is tied tight. Got it! Okay, so here, oh, everything's falling out. Just opening up the magnetic box. We have, I think these are the care instructions. Thank you for choosing Louis Vuitton products. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, if any reason, return, yada, yada, yada. Anyway, so here we have the Louis Vuitton sticker. Open this up. And inside, we have this absolutely gorgeous Louis Vuitton bikini top. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, you guys know I'm a sucker for monogram. Like, oh, if anything comes out in monogram, it has my name all over it. So I had to pick this up. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me just take this out of the box. Inside the box, oh, we also have, oh, how cute. We also have this, like when your bikini is wet, it's like a little bag, like a perspex plastic bag, which I think is really cute because you could actually use this like for something else, maybe like an insert in one of your bags. It's like multifunctional, which I think is really, really cute. Anyway, so let me show you the actual main product, which is this bikini top. This is called the LV Escale Triangle Bikini Top. I really, for some reason, have some sort of obsession with designer bikinis. So it has like some detail up here, V all up here, and then it has like an LV sign at the back here. Shout out to When Strokes. I actually saw that she got this as well. Great minds think alike. And then it just has the Louis Vuitton tag with like care instructions. And the item says made in Italy. I got mine in a size 44. Obviously, you guys know I'm a double D. Like, I need room. I need room for these babies. So it's literally just this elastic sort of fabric. You can see they've literally just stitched it down here. There's only one elastic here, and there's like 2 elastic bands here, so this side seems like it will be more supportive. So can you see there's a white fabric here, and then you have the Louis Vuitton monogram, so it's lined. The bikini parts here are lined, so hopefully that will help reduce any nips from showing. I just thought this was quite unique actually. I feel like for summertime this will be really cute. You guys know this whole bralette trend is also in as well, so I just thought I could wear this over jeans and then just like throw it over a shirt, which would be cute for summertime. I have this Dior set that I actually wore last summer, so I genuinely am going to be wearing this one this summer, which I absolutely love. The straps are not adjustable. Like, there are no adjustable straps on this, which is kind of disappointing. It was £350, and I'm trying to figure out what I paid for, apart from these 2 bits of material. Anyway, we have this elastic band running throughout the bralette top, so you can see it runs from the bottom all the way through the straps. This sort of bikini top is the most flattering on me, so that's why whenever I see a bikini top like this, I tend to go for this type of style. This is made of 70% polyamide and 30% elastane. I like the fact that they also included this monogram perspex pouch, because I would have thought to myself, like, what did I pay £350 for? And I like the orange color. I think it's just so it's totally different, but I probably would be using this for other purposes, as like a bag insert or something. So cute. All right, so moving on to the next Louis Vuitton item, the next and final item that I got from this collection. Again, we have the same Louis Vuitton ribbon. Right, open this magnetic closure. Again, we have this Louis Vuitton sticker with the tissue paper, which when I open it up, I have the second item. Now this is the Louis Vuitton Escale bikini bottoms. There were 2 types of bikini bottoms in this collection. I chose to take the fuller briefs because I believe that this would be more flattering on my figure. It comes with, in the box, we have the briefs, which I'll talk through, and then we have the same as the bikini top, this really gorgeous perspex pouch that you can keep your bikini in, which I really like. If you guys want me to do like a giveaway for one of these, please let me know in the comment section below, because yeah, I don't really think I need the 2. Here are the Louis Vuitton Escale bikini bottoms. I got mine in a 42, and again, these are made in Italy. And then you just have the Louis Vuitton tag. Again, 70% polyamide and 30% elastane. I'm sure they had a massive roll of the same fabric. This is actually lined with a white fabric. I just thought these would be like really flattering. They're high-waisted and high leg. So as a general rule of thumb, high-waisted things are always very flattering on every body shape. And the back is actually a very full brief. I do prefer a thong brief, but I'm just going to try these on and just see how it looks. But I think these 2 together would look really cute. I'm trying to get like my honeymoon wear together, so this is definitely something that, God willing, when this quarantine is over, I will be wearing on my honeymoon. Yeah, this is just really, really cute. These bikini bottoms were £350. So the bikini top was £350 and the bottoms were £350. So together, that's like £700 for a designer set, which I don't think is bad because my Dior set together was about £1,200. In comparison, this is like cheaper. One thing I love about it is that they've used like fabric which is really, really elastic. I can see myself wearing this long term, like 5-10 years into the future, and it will still be a very classic print. Now, I don't understand why people keep making items that do not have adjustable straps. Like, ugh, it irks me like so much. This would have honestly been so much better if I could adjust the straps. Ugh, Louis Vuitton, come on. £350, all you needed to do was just add in some sort of strap. But apart from that, I do love it. Like, there are all sorts of details. I do love the bikini top. I just genuinely wish that there were adjustable straps. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. But yeah, and then there's a clasp at the back. This is just like quite a flattering bikini. So I am happy with it. And the material is very stretchy. So I've literally just thrown over this linen H&M shirt. This would be something that I would probably wear, I don't know, to the beach if I could leave my house. But yeah, I do think this is quite cute. Can you see how flattering the bikini bottoms are? It literally hits like the smallest part of my waist. I've literally just put the jeans and the white top. Just put everything all together. Alright guys, that is the end of my Louis Vuitton unboxing for the Spring Summer Escale Collection for 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys are actually gonna get any pieces from the collection. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like luxury unboxings, and don't forget to hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of my uploads. Alright guys, thank you so much. As always, I hope you're staying safe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.